Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you a tour of the new Manor Park bus park. They're actually in the process of upgrading this bus park. Now recently they demolished all the old wooden stalls and put up these new state-of-the-art or modern stalls. There you can see the gray buildings or the white structures at the back. Gives the place a whole new look. Now, this is just phase one of the updates or the modernization of this area. There you can see them. So we're going to give you an update as to what's happening here. Now, this area needs a modern bus park. So it's good that they are upgrading it because from Manor Park, you go to Stony Hill. There's a large residential population around here. So it's an the bus park and the taxis use it as well is very popular. The upgrade of the Manor Park bus bay and commercial area represents an important step in improving urban transportation and public service and public spaces in Kingston, Jamaica. Manor Park has long been one of the busiest transport hubs in St. Andrew, serving thousands of commuters daily. However, over the years the area became overcrowded and disorganized, with informal vending, traffic congestion, and limited facilities creating challenges for both commuters and vendors. The ongoing redevelopment aims to transform the space into a modern, efficient, and well-organized urban center. At the core of the project is the construction of a redesigned bus bay that will improve the movement of public transportation. Clearly defined loading and unloading zones will help reduce traffic congestion and make commuting safer and more efficient. In addition, covered waiting areas with seating will provide greater comfort and convenience for passengers, especially during peak hours and in adverse weather conditions. Another major component of the upgrade is the development of a structured commercial vending zone. Previously, many vendors operated in informal or makeshift spaces, contributing to clutter and safety concerns. The new design will introduce standardized kiosks and designated vending areas, allowing vendors to operate in a more organized and professional environment. This not only improves the appearance of the area but also supports small business growth and economic activity. The project also includes important improvements to sanitation and public amenities. The installation of a modern restroom facilities and better waste management systems will help maintain cleanliness and promote public health. Enhanced lighting, signage, and landscaping will further improve the overall environment, making the area more attractive and secure for everyone who uses it. In addition to physical improvements, the upgrade is expected to bring greater order and regulation to the transport hub. A more structured layout will reduce overcrowding and confusion, creating a safer space for commuters, drivers, and vendors alike. This reflects a broader effort by the government and municipal authorities to modernize urban infrastructure and improve the quality of life in Jamaica's capital. In conclusion, the Manor Park bus bay upgrade is a significant development that goes beyond simple renovation. It represents a comprehensive effort to create a cleaner, safer, and more efficient transport and commercial hub. By improving infrastructure, supporting small businesses, and enhancing the commuter experience, the project will play a key role in the continued modernization of Kingston and St. Andrew. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright, guys, have a good day.